Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Istanbul Blockchain Week. My name is Paul. And before I start, I want to ask you all a question. Who here is a trader or investor? Put your hands up. Yes? 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many of you here have crypto projects or working for a crypto project? Put your hand up. Not you guys. Yes? Okay. Now, how many of you here are single? Put your hands up. Don't be shy. Okay, take a look around. Now you know who to talk to at the after party tonight. You're welcome. Okay, so I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to debunk 3 crypto myths that are holding you back, maybe even keeping you poor. And number 1 is the best time to buy crypto is in the bear market. How many of you have heard that? The best time to buy crypto is in the bear market. Put your hands up. Yeah? No, it isn't. I mean, think about it. It's the worst possible time you can buy. So much can go wrong in the bear market. It lasts for 1 year or 2 years. Projects can fold, they can go under, they can get scammed, they can rug pull, get hacked. Utility can go obsolete, and you don't know what the narrative will be or the new trend will be. And you lock up funds in these projects, and now you have opportunity cost. The best time to buy crypto is not in a bear market, it's as you're coming out of a bear market. Now you can see what trends are there, what's working, which projects are still around. Does that make sense? Number 2, big myth. A lot of you trade on news. How many here trade on news or have traded on bullish or bearish news? Put your hands up. Yeah? No one? One in the back? Okay. And the cameraman? Listen, never trade on news. There's news for the masses and news for the classes. We always get news for the masses. If anything, it's short-term volatility and means zero, zilch, nada. Even interest rate cuts. Oh, there's interest rate cuts. We need to have a bull market. We need interest. No, you don't. Just because it happened a few times that price went up when interest rates were cut, you're forgetting about all the times it didn't and markets went down. 2002, 2008, 2009. They cut interest rates, markets went down. COVID, they cut interest rates like crazy, markets went down. The dot-com bubble, they were really cutting interest rates, the markets went down, and a lot of projects never recovered. Listen, there's TA, technical analysis. Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. The only reason why it may not be working for you is you're getting information from the wrong people. Getting technical analysis advice from YouTubers and TikTok people just doesn't work. They're just frankly not that good. And the ones that are good, they're day traders. And you're not day traders. If you were day traders, you wouldn't need to watch YouTube videos and get TA from YouTube. And it's understandable, they might be the best traders in the world, but they're doing day trading because otherwise they would not have content. I mean, think about it. One day they're bearish, one day they're bullish, the next day they're bearish, golden cross here, bear flag there. You're like, oh my God, every time you take a trade, it's like, you get a heart attack. It doesn't work. Be a long-term investor, be a swing trader, or sit and learn technical analysis. It takes about 2-3 years to start learning technical analysis. Yes, I know it sounds like a long time, but it's not. You become a doctor in what, 6-7 years? Lawyer in 8? You can make more money doing TA than both of them combined if you do it right. The third myth, buy the dip. How many here buy the dip? Put your hands up. Now keep them up if you bought the dip into oblivion. You buy a coin and you're like, great, I'm going to buy the dip and dollar cost average my way down. Then you buy it again because it goes down again. Then it goes down even more, so you buy it again. And before you know it, you're in a bear market. It happens to all of us. Listen, you have to think of crypto like a business. Imagine you had a store and you sold dresses, yellow dresses, green dresses, and red dresses. And your distributor came up to you and says, hey, we have a special on yellow dresses today. We have 50% discount. So you buy the yellow dresses. No one really wants them, but you buy them anyway. And the month after, they come again, listen, we have a special now, 20% down on yellow dresses. So you buy them again. And then they come back next month. What are you going to do? Keep on buying yellow dresses? You're going to have a stock full of yellow dresses in your store that nobody wants? And now you don't have money to buy the red dresses that people want? Listen, yes, buy the dip once, maybe twice. Don't keep on buying it. It's opportunity cost. Coins that do well usually continue to go well. Fly with the winners. Don't crawl with the worms. So those are 3 myths I'm debunking for you today. Number 1. What was it? Oh yeah. The best time to buy is in the bear market. No, it's not. It's as you're coming out of a bear market. The second one is, if you're trading off of news, do not. There's news for the masses and news for the classes. We only get the news for the masses, what they want us to know and when it's too late. And number 3, buying the dip. Other than Bitcoin, you want to put a limit on that and buy the winners. Think about it as a business. Now, I want you to do me a big favor here before I ask questions from the audience. I think they're going to bring you a microphone if you have any questions. But I always wanted to do this. Okay, it's a bit weird. So give me a second here. I'm going to take a selfie with you. Can you all come to this side of the room? No? It's okay. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, man. All right, can we get a microphone? If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask. Anyone have questions? Raise your hand. Anyone? Yes? It's a big room, wait.
I will ask about your sample about the dresses.
Yes.
But I'm asking about, nobody is manipulating dresses by the insider of the whales. Mm-hmm. What's your answer about that?
You're absolutely wrong. They are manipulating dresses, but let's not go into that route. So you're saying they might be manipulating price. If you keep on buying the dip, how many times you say, okay, they're manipulating the prices, keep on going down? How do you know they're manipulating it? How do you know they're not dumping? How do you know that people just don't listen? Markets are supply and demand, and they run on fear and greed. That's it. It's with all markets, whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks, whether it's whatever, it's all supply and demand. Why buy something that nobody wants? And you can cry manipulation all day, from day to night, no one cares. If the price keeps on going down, it's going to keep on going down most of the time. Buy the dip, great. If it goes down again, maybe. But don't keep on buying it. Wait for it to break some resistance.
We love dip off dip, dip off the dip off to the dip. It's okay.
You buy the dip, 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 the dip, dip, dip. Next question. Anybody, raise your hands. Come on, let's have some fun here. Let's keep this interactive. Anyone? The lady over there is asking how I can be so incredibly good looking even though I'm bald. I don't know how I do it. It just happens. I was born this way. Any other questions? What about selling? We're talking about only buying. What is your question specifically? Right? when you can be sure to sell. The question on everybody's mind since the day they ever bought a stock, bond, or cryptocurrency. You can never know for sure, but there are signs. You can use TA. You can see certain resistance areas. And what you can do is you can see a certain resistance area. Once it's there, you can sell. You can always buy it back once it goes up. Oh my God, you're telling me to buy higher. Yes, I'm telling you to buy higher. It just makes more sense because so many people make so much money, profits on paper, but never take profits. And until they do, it's just paper. It means nothing. It means zilch. Take your profits. You can never go wrong taking profits. Unless, and this is actually a suggestion, you might want to take profits from altcoins into Bitcoin. That way you'll be exposed to crypto, even though if it keeps on going up, but also you can use Bitcoin to buy the dip if it goes down. So stack sats. Now, I didn't mention who I am, and I just wanted to run that by you because I was so excited to get all these questions from you. And because everyone has so many questions in here, I decided to save some time and not introduce myself. So let me just do that right now. My name is Paul. I own the Crypto Factor. I've been in crypto since 2017, not just a trader and investor, but also a C-level executive. I've written multiple books. I do public speaking. And right now, all I do is go around the world to events like this, speak on stage, show you my bald head, answer questions, and have fun. And because I was a CMO, because I was behind the scenes, because I am a KOL, I kind of have information from all aspects of the market. And that's why I'm trying to give as much value as I can to you and answer your questions. I didn't even talk about myself because my mission is to try and help somebody here today. And with that said, does anybody else have any other questions? Yes, sir? With a good-looking beard? Someone give him a microphone.
Thank you. You're certainly not the first one to mention technical analysis at this conference, but let's be a bit candid here. Isn't TA the equivalent of astrology for crypto bros?
Very good question. Yes, if you believe that. No, if you know how to actually do technical analysis. The problem is, again, that most people that do TA either don't know about technical analysis, and I'll prove that to you in just 1 second, or the second reason, well, let's touch on the first question real quick. Most people doing technical analysis don't have the experience, have not been doing it long enough. You can learn how to drive a car in a day or two, in theory, and drive it around a couple of days. But it takes years to practice when to counter steer, what to do in certain dangerous situations, and so on. And it's not just about watching a YouTube video and learning. So technical analysis does work because basically market psychology. And I'll tell you this, look at any news event. As soon as the price drops or the price goes up, everybody always tries to justify the move with news. But usually TA shows it first. Now, maybe it doesn't always work, but it's your only chance to get a glimpse of what might happen. Why? Because there's news for the masses and there's news for the classes. And we only get the news for the masses. So your only chance is TA. Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. And once you start learning it, it's like a language. It's like music. In the beginning, you just see a bunch of lines, and it doesn't make sense. But over time, just by looking at it, you can actually read it. It speaks to you. It's like a language. So learn about it first, study it first, see how it works, test it, and then make up your mind. Because a lot of people that say that really don't know or try technical analysis or haven't really spent enough time. And with that said, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Istanbul, Blockchain Week, the team, the cameramen, the staff, thank you so much. I love you guys. You've grown a lot since the first event in 2020. We have become more than that, more than a conference, more than just a meetup or summit or anything you want to call it. We have become friends and a family. Thank you very much. Love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.